What is it you're investing in? Are you investing in yourself? Because I'll tell you what, that is the best and really the only significant investment that you will ever make in your entire life. In yourself. Wow. I'm not talking about outside, I'm talking about inside. What am I talking about exactly? I'll share this fantastic mystery with you.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking this. I was thinking that the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself in 5 different ways. 5 different ways, and I want you to write these down now because they're very important. In fact, they're not important at all, they are significant. Okay, so if you want the best life, the best acting career that you ever dreamed possible, write these 5 areas down, and I will show you how to invest in them.